Hi, I am George and today I'm gonna show you my cactus in bloom. You can see this is Mammillaria prolifera and it's blooming for the first time and I am happy. And for me, blooming cactus for the first time and nice cactus. I bought it in March 2016 and now look, beautiful flowers, and let's see close up the flowers. And there we go. You can see two flowers was opened and I like so much. I love that color in the middle, yellow, and the petals color I love too. White, a little yellow, but it's okay. I love that. And another flower there, so beautiful. And there you can see flower buds yet, and they will bloom and bloom all summer, I think. And it have many babies on it, as you can see. I think you saw this cactus in my rubric of collection of cacti and succulents updates, and I decided to make a video special on this cactus because it's bloom and so beautiful. And when I bought it, it was so small, but now looking good. I keep it outside in the summertime, so looking at the moment. And I wanted to share the beauty with you all. So that's all today. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching to the end. And hope this cactus will bloom for all the summer, and we'll see. And greetings from Moldova. Subscribe to my channel, like and share. And bye.